Hello, with a new tenant configured, we want to create a new site. Paradoxically, you need to go to the site before you can create it. So head over to the URL of the target site you wish to generate. These always take the form of app.muse.com.au/the tenant name/the site name. So for Stationery Incorporated, our client is going to be app.muse.com.au/stationeryinc/rapid. Feel free to choose anything you want for the site name. For particularly large or complex organizations, having meaningful site names for their intended purpose is quite useful. Now that we're at our new site, here you'll be presented with three options. First, we need to pick the groups available in the site, and be mindful the first one also will be your primary group. These groups select which users are being brought into the site. As I'm creating the site, I also need to make sure I'm in one of these groups myself. As an external consultant, I've been added to my client's tenant as an external user. Later, I'll show you how to apply permissions to specific groups, only allocating access to certain areas of the site. Secondly, pick your primary group. The first one makes things one click easier. And finally, you need to pick a default document storage. This pulls from the primary group's list of document libraries in SharePoint, and it is the default location files will be stored. Finally, hit the Create Site button, and after a bit of spinning, the new site is created. Now, with a new site made, you might want to check what users are available. On the left-hand navigation pane, under Settings, you'll see the Users and Groups list. In that list, you can see all the users brought over from the different Office 365 groups you've selected. If something's gone wrong, or you need to change or modify the groups on a site, you can also change them at the Import Users groups at the top. Now with the new site created, head over to the next video, we'll start making entities and putting some real meaning into this new site.